Unveiling the Use of a Loofah, your guide to smoother skin. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll discover what it means to use a loofah. If you're curious about enhancing your personal care routine while mastering this phrase, you're in the right place. Let's get started. A loofah is not just a fun word to say. It's an essential bath time accessory. Originating from a gourd-like plant, the loofah is used for exfoliating the skin. When we talk about using a loofah, we mean to gently scrub the skin to remove dead skin cells. Using a loofah is quite simple. 1. Wet the loofah in the shower or bath with warm water to soften it. 2. Apply a small amount of body wash or soap to the loofah. 3. Gently rub your skin in circular motions with the loofah. 4. Rinse your skin and the loofah thoroughly after use. Why use a loofah, you might ask? Well, exfoliation is key for maintaining healthy skin. It unclogs pores, keeps skin smooth, and can even help you get a closer shave. Plus, it's a great way to ensure you're squeaky clean. To avoid bacteria buildup, it's important to clean your loofah regularly. Boil it in hot water or soak it in a bleach solution, and let it dry completely. Remember to replace your loofah every 3 to 4 weeks for optimal hygiene. When might you hear this phrase? Perhaps in a spa, a commercial for bath products, or in a casual conversation about shower routines. For example, I use a loofah every day to keep my skin smooth. Or, could you buy a loofah next time you go shopping? And there you have it. Using a loofah is a simple yet effective way to keep your skin healthy and is a phrase that can easily be incorporated into your English vocabulary. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Happy learning! And here's to your smoother, healthier skin.